Hey there, welcome to Tool Zone, your go-to spot for truly satisfying craftsmanship. Today we've gathered an epic selection of clips where skilled pros execute each task with absolute mastery. Every movement is calculated, every detail flawless. Let's dive into these perfect moments together. Her movements are so fluid and precise, it's as if gravity is just a suggestion, not a rule. Every step is instinctive, refined through countless hours of practice hidden behind her effortless grace. Ever seen a helicopter wielding a giant saw to trim treetops? It's equal parts mesmerizing and terrifying. A single misstep and the sculptor is back to the drawing board, only to craft an entirely new set of imaginative vessels. Sometimes, mistakes are just disguised creative sparks. Sure, you can paint with brushes, spray cans, even your fingers, but this guy went way beyond that with a method no one could have imagined. When raw creativity meets genius, you get art you simply can't stop staring at. With glass blowing, one misstep can ruin everything. Glass is an incredibly delicate medium. When raw power meets craftsmanship, you get real beauty, like in the case of crafting a bicycle frame, machinery and skill in perfect sync. The visual impact of this video is absolutely stunning. Now this is what you call magic, turning raw stone or rough wood into refined, elegant creations. It may be tough, exhausting work, but what comes out of those hands feels like pure artistry. Now this is how a perfectly coated dessert should look. That glossy finish makes it feel less like food and more like a beautifully crafted piece of art. That glass pumpkin. Pure magic in the making. perfect dough portions don't just magically appear. It's all thanks to this tireless machine. Smooth, uniform, and absolutely identical. So precise, even seasoned chefs can't help but feel a little envious. Want to master the art of flawless painting? Then focus closely on the screen. Every detail here matters. At first glance, it seems like the man is decorating a cake, but surprisingly, it turns out to be a colorful cement sand mixture, later used in a construction project. A quick look at how various dairy products are made. Wrapping gifts is truly an art form. With a bit of practice, you can do it as flawlessly as a machine. Once you master it, every present will look professionally done. That mirror painting turned out incredibly unique and stylish. You've got to hand it to the artist. His creativity really shines through. Just look how beautifully you can create tasty art right on a drink's foam. Hollow bricks? No problem. Just apply mortar along the edges and keep building. Ripped carpet? No problem. There's now a smart fix that's quick and easy. With a little technique, your carpet will look brand new. No one will ever guess there was damage. Filleting fish isn't easy, unless you're this guy. He makes it look effortless. Jewelry making is a craft that requires extreme precision. Only true masters can truly excel at it. Here's how paint is filtered to remove any impurities before use. Marinate the wings, coat them just right, fry them golden. Don't forget the fries. That's what we call a proper feast. With pinpoint precision and solid force, he splits the wood as if the axe has a mind of its own. That's some serious skill. There's something rhythmic about how the craftsman compacts the surface with a board, like a rugged ballet of power and control. Definitely not a job for the weak-willed. Here's a pro tip: need to strip off the top layer of grass quickly. Grab the right tool, and just like that, the turf lifts up as easily as pulling a blanket off a couch. No shovel struggles, just clean, simple efficiency. Rectangular metal mesh sheets are rolled into cylindrical shapes using a specialized machine. Listen up, folks. Here's a genius flooring hack that ensures flawless installation with millimeter precision. Tried, tested, and absolutely foolproof. Nothing compares to the beauty of a girl surrounded by flowers. Filling jars might seem repetitive, but for a true professional, it's almost meditative. Every jar is handled with care, like a small world being perfectly completed. Maybe that's where his peace lies.